Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how I did this very cranberry eye makeup look and full-on glam makeup that you can wear in any special events or special occasions na gusto nyo mag-glam up. I use the Modern Renaissance palette, which is one of my favorite palettes na ginagamit when I want to glam up. So if you want to know how I did this full-on glam cranberry makeup look, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get on with the video.
Hello guys, what's up? To start off, I'm going in first with the eyes. And I'll be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Neutral as my eye primer. Now for my eyeshadow look, I'm using the Modern Renaissance from Anastasia and taking this shade Burnt Orange and start applying it on my crease with a fluffy blending brush. Next, using a flat shader brush, I'm going into the shade Love Letter, which is a dark berry shade, and just pack it on all over my eyelid. And as you can see, I'm slowly building it up so I can get the shadow's full color effect. Now taking this shade Venetian Red, which is a dark red berry shade, and placing it on my eye's outer V using another fluffy blending brush. And I'm also slightly winging it out and bringing the shade on my crease. Now for the fun part, I'm going to do a half-cut crease. And taking the concealer we used earlier with a flat shader brush, I'm just going to try to carve out my inner lid. Now taking this gold metallic shade Primavera, I'm going to apply it on my inner lid where I did my cut crease using a flat shader brush. Going back to the shade Venetian Red, I'm slowly deepening the color and adding more definition on my outer V using a fluffy blending brush. Okay, so after applying my mascara, I'll be using this Lash Lab False Eyelashes in the style MAC 3D Mink. Now taking a makeup removing wipe, I'm swiping off any fallouts under my eyes. Next, moving on to the face, I'm using this Benefit POREFESSIONAL primer and applying it all over my face. For my foundation, I'm taking the Wet n Wild PHOTOFOCUS foundation in the shade Golden Beige and applying it on my face using a damp beauty blender. Taking the Tarte Shape Tape we used earlier, I'm going to apply it under my eyes and on the areas that I want to brighten up. Now taking the COTY AIRSPUN Loose Face Powder in Translucent, I'll be using it to set my face using a tapered brush. To contour my face, I'll be taking this Wet n Wild contouring palette in Caramel Toffee and just cut my cheekbones. Also, I attempted to do a nose contour using a small definer brush. Now for my blush, I'm going to use this BYS blusher in the shade Nectar. And with an angled brush, I'll be applying it on the apples of my cheeks. Next, I'll be dipping into the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in Molten Gold and just apply it on the tops of my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, and to my cupid's bow. Going back to the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to mix the shades Love Letter and Venetian Red and just smoke out my lower lash line. Now taking the shade Vermeer, which is a frosty metallic shade, I'll be applying it on the inner corners of my eyes. Finally, on the lips, I'll be using this Maybelline Sensational Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Clay Crush and apply it all over my lips.
So guys, here is the finished look. A very glammed up, formal, cranberry makeup look. Pwede niyong gawin when you're going out. And if you'd like to see more of this kind of video, please comment down below kung anong gusto yung look and give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye! Woo!